Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice dispenser lever in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a putty knife, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice dispenser lever. The ice dispenser lever is located inside the ice dispenser opening on the left. When the lever is pressed, the electrical chain to the auger motor is activated and ice comes in. The main reason to replace the ice dispenser lever is if it's broken, preventing ice to flow through. Yes, this is our overflow grill, and to remove it, I'm going to use the putty knife. I'm going to insert it here underneath in the corner, and I'm going to pry it out. Then we can slide it. Next, we need to take out this cover frame with this touchpad control using a putty knife. And there are two clips here at the bottom that we need to open. Then we can slide the frame up. Place this putty knife into the seam in the opposite side. Pull it slightly so it can get in. And now we're going to slide it up. And now we need to disconnect. There's a plug at the back. And we're going to slide it slightly down and turn it so we can expose the plug. And there's a locking tab right there. I'm going to press it in. And pull the plug out. Now we need to remove this bracket with this control board in. It covers up all the connection there at the back. So same putty knife, there's a clip here. Open it, pull it out. Same thing on this side. Alright, so the control is out. So I'm going to lift this control up as far as we can go. And then I'm going to tape it to the door. So we'll keep it out of the way. Now I need to take this 1/4-inch screw out so we can release that spring. I'm using the 1/4-inch nut driver, and I'm going to take this out. Make sure we're not going to lose the screw and the spring. Alright, so we need to remove this lever on the right side from that bracket, this right side little hinge here. And then we need to work out the whole assembly out of the bracket hinge over the top. Let's do it step by step. Move it out. I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to push this up like that, and we can slide this side out of the hinge. As you can see, the pin slides out. And now I am going to remove this from that time delay device. And now I'm going to pull this the lever from the left side hinge here. It's free. This is the old ice dispenser lever next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to start installation with inserting this side hinge into the opening in the wall. You can hardly see it, but it's there. Slide it in. And now we're going to install the ice door. And I'm going to slide it first into this time delay. Like that. And we're going to place it up in there. keep the hinge in place. Lift it up. I'm gonna bring this right side of the pin over the hinge here and press it down. So let's make sure that it's installed properly before we're gonna place that spring on. I'm gonna hold this hinge with my screwdriver and press it. Beautiful. I'm gonna place the spring so the top will be holding both levers, and we've got the little post here at the bottom, goes into this cutout, and we're going to match the opening right in there in the center with the bracket opening, and I'm going to secure it with the Cornish screw. Don't tighten yet. We need to place the insert here. That little piece goes under like that, and I'm going to tighten the screw now. And I'm going to test both levers. Works. All right, now we're going to untape this, and we're going to place these control back in. Remember, we've got two tabs on the sides that locks, and it also needs to go precisely into the spot. All right, so now we're going to install this frame with the touchpad controller. I'm going to put it on the side. So we're going to plug in this flex connector. And now I'm going to carefully turn it upright. Remember that we still have this flex connector at the back and the two plugs. So make sure it's all in place there. And I'm going to install these 1, 2, and 3 slots here, and we have 3 tabs on the top. All right, so it's very important that you will slide this side into the groove here. Only then you can lock the top tabs here. I press down the frame, and it's locked on the top. Now we can go down and push down on that bottom portion, and it clips on. And now we're going to slide in this overflow grill, and put it into these cutouts here on the side and press it in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.